going on a bear hunt.
Hey, we're in New Bern, North Carolina, and we're going on a bear hunt.
And Teddy's kind of scared.
And met our new best friend here, Bernie, the traveling bear. He's right here in front of our hotel. So come along with us. Let's see what we can find in New Bern.
David and Caroline headed out, God on our side, so watch out. Love and laughter on the way. Join our family and friends and stay. We may get lost on this quest, but it will be loving the real world at its best. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're outside of the Fire Museum in New Bern, and this is the No Burn Bear. Looks like he is definitely very ready. Firefighter's prayer. I can't imagine. I can tell you that firefighters have definitely been my heroes in my family's history. Let's see, my ride's pulling up.
Hey, let's go get some lunch.
Come on. I love the clock.
You remember Baxter's? They used to be downtown Gainesville.
Yes.
I don't think that's the same type of Baxter. So it says live entertainment. Oh, huh.
Maybe it is.
I don't know.
The fountain in between there.
Yeah.
Today we're having lunch at Poppy's Bites and Barrels. And it's named after Corporal Ben DeFox, aka Poppy, who passed away in September of 2021. The poppy flower, which is a symbol of sacrifice. It's one of our Americans since World War I, to honor those who served and died for our country in all the wars. Poppy Bites and Barrels serves as a living memorial to honor veterans who served this country as well as civilians that want to learn more about the men and women who protect this nation. The decor is very patriotic.
Poppy's Bites and Barrels is in a building that was built in 1823. So it started out as a general store, and then it turned into a bank. 4 different banks, restaurants, and a bunch of steakhouses, clubs, and everything else. And now it's this. Just a little fun fact we want to throw in there. Candy bacon, so I'm going to take a try at it. It's a little limp. I was thinking it's going to be crisp. It's not bad. Not bad.
Not bad, he says.
Kind of got a little after bite on you. Kind of gets stronger after you chew on it a little bit.
Definitely use brown sugar.
Yep, taste the brown sugar. Just want to clear up about the candy bacon. It's kind of addicting after a little bit, so that's what's left. Okay, I'm going with boneless barbecue wings and cheese curls as an entree. Carol's getting a what?
Okay, mine has the bacon jam, which you can see at the bottom, bacon jam, and then Gouda cheese, and I have sweet potato pie.
Here are the bears we came across in New Bern. At the same time, I'll give you a little history about New Bern. New Bern was settled in 1710 by the Swiss and Palatine German immigrants, and it is the second oldest European American colony town in North Carolina. The oldest is Bath. The new colonists named the settlement after Bern, the capital of Switzerland. Bern is the old Germanic word for bear, and the bear became the symbol of the city. The bear symbol was passed along to Bern's sister city, New Bern, and still serves as the city mascot, with bear flags and statue features throughout the town. New Bern served as the capital of North Carolina's colony government, then briefly as the state capital. After the American Revolution War, New Bern was called the Athens of the South because of the wealth and development of rich culture life. It is renowned for its Masonic Temple and Athens Theater, which are both still active today. New Bern celebrated its 300th anniversary in 2010 by hosting a variety of festivals in honor of the 300-year anniversary. Over 50 fiberglass bears, sponsored and adopted by local businesses, was situated throughout the town. New Bern has added more than 20 additional bears positioned at various locations throughout the city. There are many maps out on the internet that you can find to find these bears, so go hunting in New Bern. One thing we did notice while we was out and about, the home of Pepsi Cola doesn't have a Pepsi Cola bear, or we cannot find it. If you know of one, leave it in the comments below. We would also like to thank all the new subscribers that have joined in the recent weeks. We're glad to have you as part of the family. Okay, Caleb Bradham, 1867 and 1934, Brad's drink, which he created in the pharmacy here, was marked as Pepsi Cola after 1898. Well, it's not Coca-Cola, but it is Pepsi Cola.
Hey, but it's got Mountain Dew.
The birthplace of Pepsi Cola, right here in this building. Alrighty. Bradham Pharmacy. Yeah. The formula. Oh, I don't have 75,000 pounds, 7,500 pounds of sugar. Water, caramel, lemon juice, alcohol. A half a gallon of alcohol. Mix for 2 hours, boil sugar and water.
Hey, it's Reviver. Here's that Pepsi umbrella. Almost looks just like the Coca-Cola umbrella.
Yeah, it does.
All that stuff you got at home.
Uh-oh, we got a Mountain Dew dog. Oh, Mountain Dew dog.
Huh? Look at that lunchbox.
Yeah.
The one comes in.
Is that a map of what?
This is a map. This is the
Newburgh?
coast. Bear coast.
Yeah.
Look right here. Looks like, I mean, they've got the scissors though.
Yeah, totally.
So how do you grow hair if you're cutting it?
Spotted this on our trip, the Highwayman Moving Company. I know I saw the movie and it was pretty good. I'm not sure I would want to name my company after it. Things that make you go, Well, we hope you enjoyed this section of Loving the Real World. If you hadn't yet, hit that subscribe button and become part of our family. And go ahead and hit that notification button too. And until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.